This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen 363FL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new K-Z is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a gunmetal interior, sleeps 4, skylight, water heater, TV antenna, oven, smoke detector, air conditioning, Colorado detector, slideout, stove top burner, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen 363FL is 8,860 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.